Meet Jordan. She's a global supply chain manager and an amateur game designer. She's responsible for moving custom orders from request to delivery across continents, systems, branches, and clouds. It's a digital landscape full of threats and bad actors. But she's in good hands. She's got Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange, the most secure cyber platform in the world. Zscaler filters it all behind the scenes, blocking what's risky and delivering what's real. Never trust, always verify. Like the legitimate B2B order that just landed in her inbox from a partner, Jordan scans the specs and provides design tweaks to her B2B design partner, Kenzo, in Tokyo. Zscaler inspects the file for threats in real time. Kenzo is able to access the file without using a VPN, update the design, and send it back to Jordan. Access is fast and secure. Zscaler securely connects Jordan with the manufacturing factory, not through a network, but through policy-based access through the Zero Trust Exchange. The production manager, Amir, gets secure access to design files in SAP, and nothing more. To make it work, Amir needs to find efficiencies. So he asks for help from a public Gen AI application that lives outside the company's control. But Zscaler knows this file contains confidential financial data and guides it to a Gen AI application approved by the organization. Data protected, efficiencies unlocked, let the manufacturing begin. Attackers scan factory networks, searching for vulnerable devices. They find an IoT camera, but before they can act, it is segmented and isolated by Zscaler. No access to robots, no lateral movement, no exposure, thanks to Zscaler. Same goes for third-party vendors who only get access to the systems they need, not the entire infrastructure. Every user protected, every branch and cloud connection secured. Zscaler ensures tablets and any cellular device has secure access to production orders and shipping details. Nothing compromised, and no one having to worry about zero trust or the billions of threats that never reach them. With their data protected at every step, Jordan, Kenzo, Amir, and their entire workforce can focus on doing their job and doing it well. Zscaler, zero trust everywhere. Your trusted partner to use AI securely.